Hi everyone. I'm going to create a series of screencasts that are going to go over some of the new Chrome extensions that I installed on the domain. I'm thinking that I'm hoping that you find them helpful, but especially for the students, I'm hoping that they give me some feedback and let me know if they find these Chrome extensions useful. So the first one that I'm going to go over is called BeeLine Reader, and it is in a blue icon here at the top right corner. And you can see the rest of the icons that I installed. Some of them are my personal ones, but others I installed through the domain. So this one here is one that everyone's going to get. So BeeLine Reader is a Chrome extension that will help the user read faster and easier on screen. So it's an eye guided color gradient tool that's going to break up the text that you see on your screen in different colors, and it's supposed to be easier on the eye. So when you first log in, it's going to be enabled and you'll see everything that you open up in this format. Um, so what I want to do is I'm going to open up a Google Doc, and you can see in my Google Doc that everything is um, uh, it has the BeeLine Reader settings enabled on it. So in order for me to customize this, what I can do is simply click on the BeeLine Reader extension at the top right, and I'm going to show you a few things in here. You can change the color scheme if you'd like. So some students may find it easier with a different color scheme to read. And in your settings, what's nice is you have this option here to enable a dyslexic font. So if you have a student that is dyslexic or is having some difficulty reading the text on the screen, enable that and it will automatically adjust the text for that font. As you can see here that it did that. Um, and I can go through, any of these other settings as well. And this one here, never color this site. If you don't want any of your Google Docs or a particular website color coded using BeeLine Reader, all you have to do is toggle it on, click OK, and now my document or my web page is going to be displayed normally. So I wanted to show you that Chrome extension. Now another trick to BeeLine Reader is if you right click on the BeeLine Reader extension, you can actually see there's options here that I can skip auto coloring on this particular site, or I can skip auto coloring on all sites. So you can select those options here as well if you just want to turn it off. But your students are going to notice the color coded text as well, so you can now tell them how to turn it on and how to turn it off if need be. I hope you found the screencast helpful. Thanks.